Seiko, Seiko, Seiko. It seems as though nobody can get past owning a Seiko watch in their watch collection career. And today it's finally time for me to unbox, and I've purchased today my first Seiko watch ever. Except of course if I pull out the watch box here, I do have an old Seiko from my brother, although this is not my Seiko, so it doesn't count. So this watch is the SBDC065, and it's a special edition of the SBDC, I think 063 and 61, if I'm not entirely mistaken. And in this video I'm going to be unboxing it and giving you my first impressions with this watch. However, before we do that, of course I'm going to show you what watch I am wearing today. And today I'm also wearing quite a unique piece here. This is a French watch. It's a Dodane Type 23 quartz. As you can see, it's an Ani-Digi watch. It's 42.5 millimeters in diameter, and it uses the same Ani-Digi movement that you can find inside of the Breitling Aerospace. It's a very interesting watch, and I'm going to be reviewing it on the channel in a couple of weeks, so stay tuned for that. Now, this is what we're all interested in this video. It seems as though with this special edition watch, they're delivering this watch in quite a different packaging compared to the SBDC 061 and 63. So we have got quite a nicer box, although as per usual with Seiko, the boxes are nothing spectacular at all. So let's just get past this and get straight into the watch, of course. So some basic cardboard stuff or whatever it is, and then open this box up, and would you just look at that? There is my new Seiko. Now this watch has two different reference numbers, I do believe. The first one, as I said, it's the SBDC065, and I think that's the reference number for the JDM version of this watch, which is practically the same watch. However, the international model of this watch is the SPB083J1. Now, as you can see with this watch, you do actually get a silicone rubber strap, which is very nice to see. I do believe that you do not get that with the other watches that are similar to this. And I mean, you kind of expect to get a little bit more because this watch is priced a couple of $100s more than the other watches, which are practically the same, just not having the same dial as this watch. So let's get into this gorgeous watch. As you can see, the watch is exactly the same as the SBDC 061 and 63, and the difference here is of course the dial. As you can see, you've got this kind of blue and green dial, and it is definitely the main thing about this watch that's very interesting. This watch is called the Baby Marine Master, or the MM200, and that's because the case of this watch shares very many design traits of the Marine Master. As you can see here, for example, the lugs and the beveled edge here that goes from one lug to the other. It's very reminiscent of a Marine Master. As I said before, it features the 6R15 movement, which is supposed to be quite a great movement, stable and performing well. And of course I'm going to have to check that out for the final review. So yeah, with that said, I just want to thank you for watching this video. This has been an unboxing and some first impressions of the Seiko SBDC065 or the SPB083J1. So far I'm very happy with this watch. I just unboxed it and everything just looks fantastic. There are no misalignment issues. The bracelet does look very nice, and the case finishing is just on a whole other level. And of course you can't forget that dial. Just look at it. So yeah, again, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next videos.